Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Scorpio, let's begin with our angel blessing card. Let's see what advice, blessing, guidance, or a message there is for you from our angels. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Scorpio gang. Spirit? This one. All right, let's put this card here, Scorpio. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Scorpio, is Believe. Now, what you're supposed to believe in, I don't know. Let's open the cards and see what is it. Is it self-belief? Is it belief in a relationship? I don't know. Let's open your cards and check it out. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so kind to the channel, for all the support, your lovely comments, your likes. I'm very blessed and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, if you're new here, Scorpio, we welcome you to join us, become part of our Omkara family, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just a small 9-card spread to see what important message there is for you. And we'll also do some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. But your next readings, which is going to be the you versus them kind of reading, is going to be up on Wednesday now. Okay, so look forward to those. Of course, I will be adding some links at the end of the video in case you've missed the previous ones. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Pentacles. So a bit of stagnation going on. Things have kind of halted here from what I feel. But let's see. The first card is the Four of Cups in reverse, Hierophant in reverse, and the Chariot upright. Two of Wands, Seven of Cups, the Fool, the Magician, Page of Swords, and the Four of Wands upright. Wow. So let's start with some dialogue messages. From the first look I have here is somebody has made a decision. They've made a decision and feeling rather foolish because something went wrong here. They should have moved ahead in a positive way, but maybe they didn't at that point. Maybe they tricked their partner. They did something which was not ethical, which could, I mean, if they hadn't, it could have led to a Four of Wands, a happily ever after. But right now, even though somebody has made a decision, now this decision could be made by the partner, their partner. This, you know what, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher, that's what I'm trying to say. But somebody has made a firm decision here regarding something or someone. We'll clarify these cards, we'll get a clearer picture. But right now, let's take some dialogue message cards to see what's, if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Okay. And let's take some from this deck. And I have a brand new deck, so let's add a couple from here as well. Okay, that was quick. So the first card I have here for you, Scorpio. Please get to know me again. I have changed. Yes, like I said, somebody didn't do the right thing at a certain point. Maybe they were undergoing some kind of depression, sadness. Maybe they didn't offer a commitment or say the right thing, which led to a breakup maybe. Now they want to go forward. They've made a decision. They know what their choice is, but right now feeling a little foolish because they know they tricked their partner, right? They did something underhand or mischievous. Now they are saying, hey, can you get to know me again? I've changed, and can we give this one more try? It hurts me to say that we should go our separate ways. Like, this is where I was struggling, right? The center card, the Seven of Cups. Somebody's made a decision. After all that has gone on by the other person doing not such nice things, maybe their partner who was treated badly has already made the decision to say, listen, I've made my choice, I'm not no longer confused. I think it hurts me to say this, but I think we should go our separate ways after what has happened between the two of us. Every night I just want to be home, and home is in your arms. Somebody really wants a restart or a re-beginning after things have kind of stagnated between the two of you. I realized I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. And when you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. Like I said, somebody did something silly here, something foolish, something which was mischievous, something which was not right, something like a trickster, right? And now maybe their partner pointed it out to say, I don't like this kind of behavior and I don't want to be with you anymore. So now they're kind of realizing, oh my God, my partner was correct and this is what I should correct about myself. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior irritates me at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. Like I said, somebody was immature, somebody was mischievous, somebody was behaving like a trickster, somebody was doing something foolish here, and their partner says, hey, listen, okay, just because I love you doesn't mean you have to take me for granted, right? I'm not going to hang around forever, you treating me badly. Next card says, I'm planning a surprise. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? Like I said, somebody wants to re-begin something. Maybe they did something negative in the past, but now they want to take action. They want to take action. They are no longer thinking, no longer at crossroads, but feeling a bit foolish as well. They're not sure whether if they do now try for this, coming together again, it'll be accepted or not. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? So maybe these were some digs that were made regarding their partner who's now walked away. Maybe they made fun of them, of their job, maybe of their status, their clothes, or something like that. And the other partner says, this is childish behavior, I'm not going to allow for this anymore. But whoever was the trickster here, I think is still wanting to come back, and they're saying, you are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you, and we are one. I love you. So let's see what's happening. But right now, from what I feel, there's stagnancy here, okay? Because somebody did something which was not, justice was not served here. And their partner, because of that behavior, is now releasing them. No longer fighting for the connection. Four of Cups, Spirit. Four of Cups. Yeah, maybe at that point, whoever this, I think this is the masculine, they were in a different zone, vibration, maybe a low vibration, feeling a bit sad and depressed or upset, and they didn't listen to their intuition on time. Maybe, yes, this person had maybe financial problems, or they were feeling ungrounded. They didn't step up to the plate when they should have. Hierophant in reverse, Spirit. Some truth was not told, or it was not said in a nice way, or maybe certain communication was given which was not ethical, which was not correct, and that's what maybe led to a tower. The tower fell after this After whatever bad communication happened here, Scorpio, this tower fell and it's still falling. So the Chariot, somebody made a very unwise decision here. Whatever they said or did in that low vibration that they were in their, maybe they were having a bad day or something like that. They did something which was foolish, which was not. I have that the Fool in reverse and the Hermit in reverse. So this is not a mature energy. This is not a wise person who thinks before they talk, maybe. And they just kind of went ahead and said and did what they wanted to. And that's what's now led to all communication being halted between the two of you. Again, I have the Justice card in reverse, right? So something was not done ethically. It was not balanced. It was not to the highest good of all parties here. So now, what's the Two of Wands here, Spirit, then? Things have halted, but I do see somebody having this a little difficulty in, they don't want to let go. Whoever made that mistake, even though they know that things have halted, they want a decision made. They are still scared of letting go of their person. They don't want this chapter to end. They have a fear of losing their partner completely now because they feel that their partner has now made a decision. Yes, they feel that their partner thinks the worst of them now. That I've created bad memories for them now because of the way I've behaved. Maybe they think I'm immature. Maybe they think I'm a player. Maybe they think I'm not strong enough, or I'm basically immature and foolish because I have the Fool card in reverse again here. So they're a bit scared and very, very overburdened and feeling overwhelmed with this pressure that I have created a bad impression about myself, feeling rather foolish of the way they've behaved, which has led to their partner maybe not wanting to be with them anymore. The Fool Spirit in reverse. Fool in reverse. Yes, it was harsh communication, I think. Either they didn't tell the truth, or whatever truth was told was negative, or they acted in a very immature way. They said or did something which was rude, harsh, mean. Like I said, they could have been having a bad day and they took it out on their partner. Magician in reverse, Spirit. This is again immature energy. Magician in reverse is a trickster. Page of Swords is again somebody who's always watching, spying, gossiping, immature, very childish energy, but childish not in that innocent sense. This is like a troublemaker kind of. They just created trouble. That's about it. As with the Magician in reverse, they just created some trouble where there was no need for it. Page of Swords. Now this person is in regret. Now they're saying, oh my God, what did I do? I behaved in such a manner. All the cups are now spilt. Now whoever this masculine, I think, is now in a lot of sadness and regret because they feel it's impossible now to kind of have this. Yes, because they know their feminine is now angry, upset, bitter, upset, and is no longer willing to put in any more work to bring this union back together. Four of Wands, Spirit. What's this Four of Wands? This masculine still wants to take action. But they feel that their bad karma has caught up with them. They feel that this feminine has now already labeled them, like judgment has been passed against them. Now this masculine, whoever this masculine is, even though they have a lot of passion for the feminine, they want to move ahead, they want to take action, they are now stuck. They are at crossroads now. They don't know what action to take because they know deep in their heart how badly maybe they've behaved, and they also are aware that this feminine now is very upset, very angry, and is no longer willing to work on this connection anymore. Or at least that's how they feel. Okay, so yes, that's what's going on, Scorpio. We'll see in your next reading. We'll do a little more digging to see their emotions, your emotions, see where your energies are aligning if they are now. But till then, next time, love and light. Take care, and we'll see you now next Wednesday. Till then, take care.